Your business runs on information, but here's the challenge. Yesterday's critical data becomes today's compliance headache. Legacy systems slow to a crawl. Software and data center costs spiral. Legal holds and compliance audits become an unbearable burden. OpenText Smart Data Archiving Solutions can transform compliance pain into a long-term competitive edge. Retain what matters while securely disposing of what doesn't. Slash long-term data retention costs and modernize your IT infrastructure by freeing up resources for what drives your business forward. Preserve and protect critical data and documents while complying with regulatory, data privacy, data sovereignty, and legal requirements across all legacy data. Give users unprecedented intelligent analytics, summarization, and command of archive data with OpenText Content Aviator, an AI personal assistant. Meet OpenText Archiving Solutions. OpenText Information Archive. Cost-effective application decommissioning and generalized data compliance. OpenText Core Archive for SAP Solutions. Purpose-built for SAP environments to bring efficiency and relief to strained budgets. Discover how to transform your information into your competitive advantage with OpenText Archiving Solutions.